Hello students, let us continue the second page of the Tiger King. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. The way his death would come is a matter of extraordinary. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. It can only be happen at the end of the tale. Means before the end of this tale, we cannot say anything. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. So the fantastic thing about his demise was that he would die one day. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions. Means the child will grow like anything, but they bit their lips and swallowed hard. Means they are not having courage to express in words. When compelled to continue, when the astrologers were compelled to say, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all. They said that there is secrecy, it is a secret matter, it should not be disclosed, and yet we are forced to speak out. But we are forced to speak out. Means without intention also they are forced to speak. The child born under this star will one day have to meet his death. Means under the star which he had taken birth, he has to meet his death one day. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. At the same time, one interesting thing happened. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-year-old Jilani Jang Bahadur. Means the child, you can think, only of 10 days old. Just before 10 days he took birth, and he was able to speak. And what he spoke? O wise prophets! He spoke like this. O Buddhiman Bhavishya Everyone stood transfixed in superfection. Means everybody astonished to this action. They looked widely at each other and blinked. बस वो एक दूसरे की तरफ देखते रहे और ब्लिंक करते रहे. O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. Means everybody shocked. Who spoke over here? A 10-day child cannot say like this. So everybody looked each other, but the child said, O wise prophets, I spoke this. Yes, I myself, 10 days old. This time there were no ground for doubt. So when the child spoke like this in front of all, so there was no doubt at all. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated, who had pronounced the words so clearly. So the 10 days old child spoke these words so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the babe. The chief astrologer could not believe it, so he took out his spectacles and started looking towards the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. Means the child is saying, those who born, they will one day die. It is must. there would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. It will be giving some sense if you say how the death will happen, then it will be giving some sense. The royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. In very childlike voice, he spoke this again in second time. Still, it is a matter of surprise for all. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. In surprise, the chief astrologer placed his nose on his nose, placed his finger on his nose. In surprise, a babe barely 10 days old opens its lips in speech. एक 10 दिन का बच्चा वो अपना मुंह खोलकर इस तरह बोल देता है. Not only that, it also raises intelligent question. Not only the child spoke, but also he raised the intelligent questions. Incredible. Means it is unbelievable. Rather like the bulletins issued by the war office than facts. Means than facts, it is like a bulletin issued by the war office. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. Then the chief astrologer took his finger from his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. Means he looked towards the little prince. The prince was born in the hour of the bull. बुल का आर में, बुल का जो स्टार होता है उसमें वो बर्न हुआ है. द बुल एंड द टाइगर आर एनिमीज. द बुल और टाइगर दोनों एनिमी है. देयरफॉर डेथ कम्स फ्रॉम द टाइगर. इसलिए डेथ टाइगर से आता है. ही एक्सप्लेन्ड. सो टुमारो विल स्टार्ट थर्ड पेज. थैंक यू.